I'm in the process of making some garlic hanging drying racks. Here's one that's glued together, and the material here is Scotch Broom pieces that I've collected from the back property. This is an invasive plant, but it is a strong timber. It doesn't grow very big. This is about as big as it gets, this diameter. And it lasts well in the harsh environment outside, but these will be hung from the ceiling in a house, and the garlic that is growing now will be laid over the top of this rack for drying. So I'm beginning to lay out, and the way it will be suspended from the ceiling, there'll be some chains and hooks that connect to the joists above. Now, I'm laying out another rack, and I'm using a little bit heavier rungs here, and I've removed the bark on this piece. I'll do that for the other pieces. I've tried to cut them to a length that fits this layout, and what I need to do is, on the shaving horse, create 3/8 diameter tenons that will fit into the sockets in these rails. And then it's glued together with Tight Bond 3. So that's the process. This is a new shaving horse. I just finished it, so this is the first project I'm working. It's bad weather outside, otherwise I'd have this thing outside. So there's quite a mess here in the shop.